Grain, also known as film grain, and it's an image effect that simulates small particles of halide, the primary photosensitive substance used in chemical film. To add the grain effect in Unity, go to Add Effect, Unity, then add the grain effect. The grain has few properties to configure. Colored enables the use of colored grain. Intensity is the strength of the grain filter. Higher values mean more visible grain. Size controls the grain particle size. And finally, luminance contribution controls the noisiness on scene luminance. Lower values mean less noise in dark areas. You can disable colored if you want to gain some performance. This is it for this lecture. See you in the next one.